In this question, 3 points are given, that is A, B, and C. We need to find the position vector of ABC, and we need to also find the value of AB vector, CA vector, and BC vector. So first thing, how to find the position vector. So to do that, I already told you, take the origin as reference point. So position vector of A is nothing but OA. That is, using distance formula, you'll get it as I cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap. Similarly, OB becomes I cap minus 2j cap plus 4k cap. Again, position vector of C is nothing but OC. That is 0 I cap, so it doesn't have any value. So 7j cap plus k cap. So next, we need to find the value of AB vector. AB vector is nothing but, I already told you, position vector with respect to the terminating point, that is B, minus position vector with respect to the initial point, that is A. Now you will get it as OB is nothing but I minus 2j plus 4k minus OA, that is minus I minus 3j minus 2k. Finally, you will I and I will get cancelled, and the remaining is minus 5j plus 2k cap. Next, C A vector, that is OA minus OC vector. When you subtract it, you will get it as I minus 4j plus k cap. Next, BC. BC is nothing but OC minus OB, which gives you minus I cap, 7 plus 2 plus 9j cap, minus 3k. One very important note over here is AB vector is not equal to BA vector. Similarly, BC vector is not equal to CB vector, and so on. Why? I already told you, AB is nothing but OB minus OA. So here it will be, for BA, it becomes OA minus OB. Hence, they are not equal. They are the negative of, so therefore, here it becomes AB is nothing but negative of BA vector. In this question, three vectors are given, A, B, and C. We need to find a vector which has magnitude of 6 units, and this is parallel to this vector. So, before going into the solution, we already know, to find any vector, we need to have two conditions, magnitude and the direction. In this question, magnitude is given, that is 6 units. So, from this int, we will get the direction of vector. So, what is the direction of vector? It's nothing but the unit vector we need to find. To find the required vector to this question, first we need to assume any vector. Let's assume as u vector, which is nothing but 2 times a vector minus b vector plus 3 times of c vector. So when you multiply 2 with a vector, you'll get it as 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap minus of b vector, that is minus 4i plus 2j minus 3k, and plus 3c is nothing but plus 3i cap minus 6j plus 3k cap, and finally you will get it as 2 minus 4 minus 2 plus 3, that is plus I cap, 4j minus 6j minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. So from here we'll also get the magnitude. Why magnitude of vector is needed? because we need to find the direction vector, that is unit vector, which is nothing but u cap, which is nothing but u vector divided by its magnitude. This is the reason we need the magnitude. How to find the magnitude? Using distance formula, we'll get it as 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. When you do it, you will get it as 3. Now, you will get it as u vector, that is I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap divided by its magnitude, that is 3. Here we want the vector which has magnitude of 6 units. So we need to multiply this direction vector with its magnitude, that is 6. Now we'll get it as 6 into I minus 2j plus 2k cap by 3, and this 3 goes with 2 times, and finally you will get it as 2i cap minus 4j cap plus 4k cap. This is the required answer to this question, and this vector has magnitude of 6 units, and this is parallel to this vector, that is 2a minus b plus 3c.